I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a player on Animal Crossing New Horizons. First, launch the game and wait for the title screen to appear. Do not load your save file yet. Once you see the title screen, press the minus button on your left Joy-Con controller. This action will open the game's settings menu, allowing you to manage various aspects of your island and residence. From there, you can proceed to the next steps for player deletion. After accessing the save data settings, you will see several options. Navigate to and select Delete Resident Registration. The game will then display a list of all the player characters currently residing on your island. Carefully choose the name of the player you intend to delete. It's crucial to select the correct one, as this action is permanent. Once selected, the game will ask for a final confirmation before proceeding with the deletion process. When a player is deleted, their entire presence on the island is erased. This includes their house, all their personal belongings, and any items stored in their inventory or home storage. Furthermore, any bells, Nook Miles, or other currency associated with that player will be permanently lost. It's important to understand that this action is irreversible. Once a player is deleted, there is no way to restore their data or bring them back to the island. After confirming your choice, simply follow any remaining on-screen prompts to complete the deletion. The game will process the request, and the selected player will be removed from your island. Remember, the island's main resident, often the first player created, cannot be deleted this way. You would need to delete the entire island's save data for that. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.